I'm called Emmanuel Masabo.
Yeah.
I'm from Rwanda.
Yeah.
Actually, currently I'm a student at Makerere University.
Right.
Student. I'm here in this conference to present my poster, which is entitled A New Feature Engineering Approach to Improve Malware Classification.
Yeah.
The goal of this paper is actually to create a new feature engineering mechanism to improve based on the existing techniques to improve the performances in terms of accuracies and other performance metrics which can be used in this kind of evaluation machine learning techniques. What we did actually here, I built on a gradient boosting machine.
Yeah.
Then I modified this gradient boosting machine based on the feature hypothesis computed by a gradient boosting machine. Then I computed new features, new relationships, and new techniques. And I came up with new feature hypothesis. And this new feature hypothesis would help me to select some features different from the initial features produced by gradient boost.
Right.
Here you can see the differences are shown here. When you check few features from here, you can see that the percentages of changes are shown in this column based on the features initially produced by gradient boost and the features which are produced by NFA. Now here you can see the comparison between features produced by gradient boost and the features produced by NFA. Here we see that selecting the top 10, top 20, and top 30 features, there is an improvement on both on these performance metrics, accuracy, and current state score. Based on accuracy, you can see that on top 10 features, with initial features produced by gradient boost, the accuracy was 83%, but with features produced by NFA, you see the accuracy was 91%, so there is an improvement of 8%. The overall accuracy was the best accuracy of NFA was 94% on top of 30 features, which is also an improvement based on what you can see produced by gradient boost. So generally, NFA has produced better accuracies. It has also been compared to other existing feature selection techniques. On the feature selection, gradient NFA produced better than ANOVA, NFA, and PCA.
Yeah.
In general, that is the improvement which is produced by this NFA technique. You can see that generally the overall improvement was 12% from 82% to 94% on accuracy, which means NFA is a new technique which is coming with new improvements and to keep being improved in the future, and being also run on different data sets to evaluate the robustness of this technique.
Right. And so, Masabo, can you tell me a little bit about your personal story? Like, what inspired you to get into machine learning? What are your career aspirations? What do you want to do after this?
Thank you so much for that question. Actually, when I started my research, I wanted to do something in security.
Yeah.
And I wanted to see, seeing the existing techniques, how they perform.
Yeah.
I wanted something which can act as smart as possible.
Right.
And I found that using machine learning, it can teach the machine and make this software which detect malware to act as smart as possible. So that is the reason why I tried to work on base my work towards machine learning. And after these achievements, I think if these techniques are embedded in new techniques, it will contribute to the field of cybersecurity, especially in the antivirus industry.
Right.
Yeah. Also, this machine learning, I will use it to solve various problems which are available in the society.
Yeah.
There are so many problems in different areas in society.
Right.
That we use to solve using this machine learning.
Nice. Can you tell me a little bit about your background? How does it feel like being a machine learning researcher in Uganda, and what are the positive aspects, what are the negative aspects or the shortcomings that you would like to see being addressed in the coming days?
Actually, there are so many problems in health, in finance, in
Yeah.
administration. So many problems in infrastructures.
Yeah.
So there are so many issues which can be solved using machine learning.
Yeah.
In agriculture. So that is what we want to solve in Uganda. There is
Right.
also some more. In Makerere University, there is an artificial intelligence lab where there are researchers who are working on different problems similar to this and
Yeah.
others. So me too, I will also contribute in this area by bringing my expertise
Yeah.
and working with others to improve and to come up with better solutions.
Nice. And could you tell us a little bit about your long flight, how you flew here to Vancouver?
Yeah, the flight was very nice. Although there have been some delays, then I missed my connecting flight, and they had to be delayed by 1 day.
Yeah.
I came late, but the flight was okay. I came from Rwanda to Nairobi to Amsterdam.
Oh my gosh.
Amsterdam to Vancouver.
So that's what, 25 hours, 30 hours of flight?
It was 26 hours.
Oh, dang. Dang. And are you staying for the entirety of the conference? When are you flying back?
Yes, I will stay for the entire period of the conference.
I see.
Going back next Saturday.
I see. And was it easy for you to obtain the Canadian visa? Did you have any issues there?
I didn't have any issues. It was easy for me.
Okay.
I just applied once and it worked.
Cool. Thank you so very much and congratulations on your work.
You are welcome.